Hi everyone, it's Kimberly from Kimberly's Fabric Stash, and this is a unboxing of some new Halloween fabric that we have just got in from Northcott. So I'm going to let everybody kind of get jumped on here because I see that we're still linking up Facebook. So if you're in the app, that's fantastic because you're going to get a great preview for this new Halloween line. And hi Carol, hope you're having a great day. Your order is ready for pickup, by the way. And just text me when you want to come over. So anyway, I just want to take a quick moment and show you guys this fabric. It's from a line called Black Cat Capers, and this is a line from Northcott Fabrics. And actually, I'm only showing you part of the panel right here. The other part of the panel actually folds up to reveal this wonderful full moon with some crazy bats in it. And this is from a line by Andrea Tachira. I hope I pronounced her last name correctly. And oh no, don't do the identifiers. Hold on one second. I didn't do something right, Joyce. Oh boy. Don't, if you guys could hold on one second, I didn't do the identifiers right on this. So let me look at the product listing real quick, because if you guys start commenting the identifiers on Facebook, it will mess up the it'll make the panel go out of stock. I kind of messed that up. I wasn't thinking about the fact that I loaded the things that way. So let me yeah, just ignore the identifiers, okay? Just we'll have to go into the store and do them differently, or I could just go back out of this and come back on. So maybe I'll do that. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that right there, but don't put in the identifiers if you guys don't mind. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of everything. You can shop from it in the store. Remember, I have to use keywords for my identifiers because of the way my store is set up. So I did not go in and name the fabrics like I typically do for a Friday night. So otherwise, you're going to have 101 of those panels in your in your shopping carts, and that's not good. So let's just ignore my identifiers, but let's go forward. Hi Marlene and hi Helen. So anyway, so here we got this great panel from Northcott, and it's called Black Cat Capers. The panel measures 24 by 44, of course. And then the other wonderful things that came in with this line as well are the hi Lisa. This is a set of placemats, so I'm going to open this up, and you're going to get a set of 4. They are all pictured the exact same, so it's all the same pumpkin. You can change out the borders on each one though, just by you know, being creative and adding your own fabrics. I know it's a great fabric, right? I would love to have a black cat. I have a gray cat. He's a blue Russian. But anyway, it has these little cute patches here. So this is the set of placemats. So when you order placemats, it comes as a pack of, you know, you're getting 4 placemats. Okay. So that is that. And then, another panel that is in the line, which I'm super excited about. This is the apron panel. Let me open that up. So you're getting that cat again, just like in the regular big panel. Let me open this up. It is so huge. I need my camera to be like a ton higher than what it is right now, but I'll kind of open that up. So this is the apron panel. And the great thing about the apron panel is it comes with the bonus project of oven mitts. So you get a set of 2 oven mitts in addition to the apron. So this is a fantastic panel. It's $12.99 if you're wondering how much that panel is. The other 2 panels are $8.99 that I just shared with you. And then I'm going to go ahead and go through the fabrics so that you can see all the awesome coordinates that goes with this line. So this is again is Black Cat Capers from Northcott, and you guys that love to do your 60-degree table runners, here is the awesome stripe fabric here. And I do have this available in bundles, and I will talk about that in just a minute. And again, I forgot to give my identifiers their names. So if you're on Facebook, don't order off of the identifiers, because you'll script the inventory. All right, so anyway, so there is the awesome stripe fabric. There's running yardage. So here you have the cat repeating, he's standing. So if you're into your 60-degree table runners for Halloween, this is gonna fly out the door because it's a beautiful table stripe. Then of course we have the black cats with a bat at midnight. The depth of the border on the stripe is pretty wide. Let me look here. Let me find some numbers here. So they run, it's about a 10-inch repeat on the distance from here to here. It's about 10 inches. So that's pretty sizable. So then we have the black cats with the full moon, which are fantastic and amazing, right? Lovely line. Again, this is great quality fabric from Northcott. They've been around for a very long time. This is a black damask, which I will hold up so you can actually see the damask print in the black. So this is a great blender. You have this polka dot, which has a crackle background, and it is variegated. That's not a problem with your computer screen. It's a little light orange here, a little bit darker here. So there is a little bit of a movement in that. And then there's a crackle behind the polka dots. So that is how that runs there. And then this is pretty cool. That's cats with their glowing yellow eyes. So this would make a great, border or background. So we're going to be thinking a lot about, not only just being able to border out the panel, but border out the placemats, doing table runners for fall or for Halloween coming up. I'm sure you guys can do tote bags, all sorts of great ideas. This is a wonderful stripe. So the stripe is black, darker orange, a little bit of like creamy gold, and then a light orange. So that is the stripe. Oh, I know, Marlene, well, the thing is during the live show Friday night, the fabric came and I'm like, well, I can't do an unboxing yet. Well, apparently during the Friday night show, people were going into the store and looking around, and they found this and they started shopping from it. And I was like telling Leah, I'm like, goodness gracious, I haven't even had a chance to get this unboxed for, to show everybody. And I already started having to cut from it. So this is a beautiful pumpkin. Yeah, the stripes are really, really great. I think the stripes are just for anything. You can do your binding in them. You can pair them to make, 9-inch square blocks or whatever. They're really colorful. So this is the pumpkins. This is packed pumpkins. Okay. This is the bats. And again, if you look closely, there's kind of like these, I would call them lightning strikes going on behind the bats. And then this orange is, again, it's variegated. It's going from lighters to dark. So that, again, is not a problem with your computer screen. That is just the colorway. So there's that as well. I guess I could, well, I'll leave them there. This is more of an open design on the pumpkins. So they're not so packed tightly together. And the background is not a solid black. That is like a black and gray background. Again, this would make a great border, especially if you're going to plan on doing the panel. Okay. All right. And then, yeah, if you guys could not buy by the identifiers today, it's going to script the inventory. I'm going to have to fix that when I get offline, but that's okay. We'll get it fixed. So anyway, this is the orange polka dots on black crackle. Okay, so that is how that appears. And then this one is a real big game changer. Some of you are going to love this. Some of you are not going to love this. This is a really great diamond. I'll open it up as if it would come off the bolt. So the pattern is running. Your selvage is down here. But I think this is definitely can be incorporated into whatever pattern you're going to play with this line. Think of the bottom of a tote bag starting here. This would be the bottom, something to that effect. And then, you would have your other fabrics, pairing with that. I think that would be an amazing tote bag. We might even do that. So that is that diamond. That's cream and black. Okay. This one is the cats with the orange full moon. All right, and the cats, this is kind of like a tossed effect. The cats aren't all in a straight line, so you don't have to worry about if you're going to be able to line things up. These are running in diagonals, so if you cut this, you're not worrying about, accuracy for that, okay? So that is that's on gray, Okay, that is on gray. And then of course we have the bats. Again, with that lightning background, this is a cream background with these like lightning strikes. They're almost like trees. I think they were going to try for a trees effect here. To me, it looks like lightning bolts going out, and that's a darker cream for the background there. Somebody asked a question about the stripe. So the selvage on the stripe is down here, okay? And then you would have, you know, however many yards you would want to order. So there's four stripes to the cut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're getting 4 stripes out of the cut, which is pretty typical for stripe lines. So that is the stripe. Now, let me go back to this for just a second. We have this available in bundles in the store, okay? So if you go over to the store and you type in Black Cat Capers, because that's the name of the line, you're going to see all of these. The bundle is available. You're getting 12 prints in the bundle. I did not put in the big stripe that I just showed you. I didn't put that. This stripe is in there. I did not put in the big stripe or the panels, okay? Because I never want to force people into stripes or panels. Those you'd have to get separately. So the bundle is 12 fabrics. And then of course you can get them in fat quarters, half yards, or full yardage, okay? So that is the full line there. So again, if you're just joining me, this is Kimberly from Kimberly's Fabric Stash. The line is from Northcott Fabrics called Black Cat Capers. Okay, so there's the apron panel with the bonus pot holder. Okay, so oven mitts. Then you have the placemats, which come 4 placemats to the cut. Okay, so if you order the placemats, you're getting 4 placemats. All right, and then of course is the regular panel. The running yardage for the other bolts is half yards. So if you need full yards, please make sure that you're entering quantity 2. So you get a full yard, because we sell in half yards, okay? So all that is available with the fabric bundles. Again, no panels are in the bundles though, and no, not that big stripe either, okay? So I just want to make sure that you are well aware of that. And remember that we have class tonight. For those of you that usually are in class, we are doing the patriotic mug rug, and that class is at 7 p.m. Eastern. So if you are joining me for class tonight, I look forward to seeing you back here again. And I hope you are having a wonderful Tuesday, and you enjoyed the unboxing today. So if you want to leave a comment or question or concern, please let me know about this. And again, this is called Black Cat Capers. And I'll see you back here tonight at 7 o'clock. So thanks, everyone. Have a good rest of the afternoon. Bye-bye.